Hello and welcome to Cursive for Lefties. Today we're going to do Cursive W, which is one of my favorites, the lowercase and the uppercase. We're going to start with the uppercase. Lefties, tilt your paper and hold your pencil correctly. That'll help you write better. Okay, and so what I'll do first is I write my 3 lines to remind myself to slant my letters. This is a cursive W. Teardrop, go down and do a half a heart at the dotted blue line. So you don't go all the way down to the red line, you stop and make that half a heart to the dotted blue line. Then you want to make a curve there on the dotted blue line and go down to the red line. Once you do that, then you want to go up to the dotted blue line, and you want to go out and then make a line to curve in the opposite direction. So it's a teardrop, half of a heart down to the dotted blue line, make a loop, go down to the red line, go up, out, and curve all the way back up. Okay? Teardrop, loop on the dotted blue, stop on the red, go up to the dotted blue, come back down to the red, and then finish at the top. Okay? Teardrop, half of a heart to the dotted blue, make a loop on the dotted blue, go all the way down to the red, come up to the dotted blue, go out to the red, and then curve your line up. Let's do it again. Teardrop, half of a heart to the dotted line, go out to the red, up to the blue, out to the red. Okay? That's really ugly, isn't it? Well, don't judge yourself too hard like I just did. Just keep trying. All right, teardrop, loop, stop at the red, go up, out. Okay, keep going to the end of the line. Make sure that your loop, the second loop, is smaller than the first loop that you started out with. That'll make your letter look better. Now, let's do our lowercase. If you want to practice, you can stop the video and practice your uppercase W's and come back and do the second half of the video for your lowercase W's. Lowercase W starts here on the red line. Slant up to the dotted blue, come back down, curve back up to the dotted blue, come down, curve back up to the dotted blue, and then make the little tail. Okay? 1, 2, 3, curve. 1, 2, 3, curve. 1, 2, 3, curve. Let's do it again. 1, curve. Are you slanting your lines? 1, 2, 3, curve. 1, 2, 3, curve. 1, 2, 3, curve. Last one on this line. 1, 2, 3, curve. All right. So as you can see, it's easier for me to make lowercase w's as opposed to uppercase w's. And some letters you're going to do better than others. Just keep practicing. W, W, uppercase and lowercase w. Keep practicing, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.